Peace, blessings, and love, family. This is Elder Rasan Shakur out of the great city of New Orleans, Louisiana, coming to you with another great and informative video. Peace, blessings, and love to all the melanated family and mankind. But family, this video is going to be about when the sheep realize the true nature of the shepherd. Can you feel me, family, where I'm coming from? When the melanated family realize that we are sheep being gathered for slaughter. When the sheep find out that they go into the slaughterhouse, it's too late. And we are being led to the slaughterhouse. We are being led to damnation because of the lack of knowledge. We don't know who the beast is. A lot of us don't know who is this beast that is leading us to the slaughter, leading us straight to eternal damnation in hell, following this beast. A lot of people don't know who the beast is, who is the so-called shepherd. But he's being exposed. Don't bite the cheese. Don't fall for the trap. We are being programmed and conditioned to be led to the slaughterhouse. Wake up, family. Know that self. Know that self. Know who is the enemy that is trying to eliminate us, that is trying to eliminate mankind. Wake up, family. The time is now. Don't be led to the slaughterhouse. Don't be led to the slaughterhouse. Know that self and know that enemy. Peace, blessings, and love to other melanated family. Although listen at this video, please subscribe, please share and put up the likes, and stay tuned for the next live stream or video. And I'm out.